Pakistan State Oil is the largest oil marketing company in Pakistan with state-of-the-art lubricant manufacturing terminal. The operations start with the receipt of raw materials. All raw materials are tested for quality at the time of receipt. There are dedicated tanks for particular grades of base oil to preserve purity and quality. Equipped with the latest equipment and automated processes, making it one of the most technologically advanced lubricant blending facilities. The operations start with the receipt of raw materials, base oils either local or imported, and different types of additives. The capacity of finished lubricants in tank farm area is 400 metric ton per annum. PSO LMT is equipped with two most sophisticated automatic blending units, the ABB automatic batch blender with a capacity of 5,000 metric ton per annum per shift, and the SMB simultaneous metering blender with a capacity of 45,000 metric ton per annum per shift. The ISO 9001-2015 certified laboratory, PSO, produces retail-sized plastic cans and caps to fulfill the retail market requirements with molding machines from Italy and Austria. The LMT has a can filling section equipped with two fully automatic filling lines, including fully automatic labeling and capping stations. The filled and capped cans are passed through the induction sealing and laser coating for quality assurance and preventing counterfeiting. An automatic drum filling system in the blending shed handles industrial and automotive grade lubricants. Maintaining inventory of packed finished products and dispatch of finished goods is the responsibility of warehousing. The LMT is fully equipped with engineering support services, storage space for HDPE, heating, ventilating, and air conditioning system. The LMT has comprehensive fire protection in place for the safety of the personnel, property, and the goods with early warning system of intelligent detectors, control panels with remote monitoring features. Thank you for taking a tour of Pakistan's largest and most advanced lubricants manufacturing terminal, the PSO LMT, and for helping us become Pakistan's first choice. PSO.